Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to create a red box to highlight a specific part in a video. Like this, and this. To save time, I've already uploaded a video to the timeline. Now we have three toolbox options: the pen tool, rectangle tool, and ellipse tool. I'll choose the rectangle tool because I want to highlight different text buttons in the video. For example, I'll select the Get Started button on the screen. Simply choose the part you want to highlight, go to the Effect Controls area, scroll down, unclick the fill box, and select the stroke. Click on the box and choose the color you want. Next to that, you can manage the border size. 12 is the standard size for a border. After that, make sure the highlighted red box matches your sound as well. Adjust it accordingly. You don't need to follow all these steps every time. After that, just drag the area you want to highlight and adjust the layer on the timeline. Now follow the same step throughout your video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.